Hi everyone, how are you? Today I am going to share an incredible story with you here, Casablanca. And this is a real story of French Navy. The features of this story are honesty, commitment, responsibility, professionalism, loyalty, love and care. This is real story about a little boy. His name was Casablanca. Casabianca was 10 years old boy. He was the son of the commander of a French warship. His father had ordered him to take his stand on the deck and not to leave his place till he was ordered to do so. In the meantime, the French were defeated. The father of Casabianca decided to set fire to the ship rather than surrender it to the enemy. After the crew had been saved, he himself died on the spot, and his son was surrounded by flames on all sides. He cried again and again for permission to leave his post, but he received no answer. He stood there still. At last, the magazine of the ship was burst with a terrible noise, and the brave Casablanca was also blown away along with it, and he was died like a true hero. Thank you.